Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on resetting your Android TV to factory settings. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Resetting factory settings like this will remove all data, apps, accounts and media from your TV, and you will need to set it up like new again. Start by hitting the home button on your remote. From the home screen of your TV, go to the top right and click on Settings. In Settings, scroll down to Storage and Reset and open it. In the Storage and Reset options, click Factory Data Reset. If you are sure you want to continue, click Erase Everything. The factory reset process will then start. It can take a while for this to happen, but once it's done, you'll need to set it up like new again. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Android TV tips and tricks.